In this video, we will show the best Sirona products for menstrual days available to buy. At number 1. Sirona Biodegradable Super Soft Black Sanitary Pads. Irritation ultra-thin natural sanitary black pads are made with nature's love. Carbon is captured from sustainable natural resources, such as corn, sugarcane, cassava and straw bale, and transformed into PLA using hot air non-spring process, making it completely bio-based, biodegradable, antibacterial, ultra-thin, breathable, and gentle on your skin. Sirona's black pads do not contain any harmful chemicals or toxins. They are chlorine-free, paraben-free, toxic-free, and no artificial colors are added. These black pads are made for a chic, stylish and fascinating girl because Sirona believes that periods shouldn't be boring anymore. At number 2. Sirona Reusable Menstrual Cup for Women. Sirona's menstrual cup is the most modern, economical and leak-free way of experiencing complete period comfort. It is a reusable, silicone cup that collects rather than absorbing your menstrual flow and is worn internally. It is ideal for those who care for their own health. Cups are made of high-quality medical-grade silicone that is widely applied in products such as infant nipples, catheters etc. Menstrual cups are leakage-proof as they are made of high-quality silicone, which makes it very flexible to fit perfectly and collect the blood without spillage. At number 3. Sirona Menstrual Cup Wash. Sirona Menstrual Cup Wash is specifically formulated with mild surfactants to gently clean your cup while protecting the cup and your skin from residue or irritants. Made using only premium ingredients, the wash cleanses and sanitizes your menstrual cup, along with saving the silicone of your cup from degrading. Sulfate is commonly used in products as a foaming agent but can be really harmful in the long run. Our menstrual cup wash is made using only mild surfactants to gently clean your cup and contains no sulfate.